unable to get this active on your own, you can just do what I usually do, which is, for example, if I'm going to get this margin 75, margin trading 75, you see that I need to upgrade my short squeeze to level 10. And if you look at this also, for me to get this derivative, I need to take my margin trading 20, which is this one here. I need to take it to level 9. You can see, so this is not active, and since this derivative is dependent on this margin 20, it means that I have to activate this margin 22, which will actually require that I update this margin 10. Yeah, you can see it here. I need to take this margin 10 to level 5. And if you look at this margin 5 itself, is not active because I need to buy this shit coin and upgrade it to level 5. And if you look at my shit coin here, it's only available to level 2. So I need to upgrade my shit coin to level 5. I'm just showing you this process. I don't need this for today's combo, but so that you can see how to make a particular. You can see that now this mem card is actually active now, and margin 10 is also active now because I have actually upgraded my shitcoin to level 5. So now for me to make this active also, I need to take this to level 5, but I won't be doing that. So that's just how to unlock a particular card that is not visible for you. So let's just dive in and get to this card. So the first card I'll be getting is under PR and team, so which is the CEO card. So you can see I have the CEO card and I have it to level 2 already. So if this is not active at this point where we have level 2, it will be written there what you need to do. For example, assuming the first card I need for today is CoinDex, it means I need to upgrade this Cointelegraph to level 10. So I need to look for Cointelegraph and upgrade it to level 10. So I have CEO already, so I'll just go ahead and get the CEO card, and you can see that I have the first card already. Okay, so the CEO card is beside influencer card under PR and team. So the next card I'll be getting is top 10 global ranking, which is under specials. For you, if you it might be under specials new card, but if you have actually gotten that card before now, so it will be specials my card. So it's under my card for me, so I just have to look for it, which is this here. Sorry, I'm not sure I clicked that. Did I just click on it? Okay, so this is it. I'll just click on go ahead, and that's my second card. Okay, so going to my third card. My third card is License Japan, which is actually under Lega tab. Okay, it's the last card under Lega card. So you can see this is License Japan. I cannot activate this card here because it required that I add or refer a new friend. So this is where the trick that I explained yesterday, this is where it actually works. So now let's go back to what I explained in the video yesterday. For you to get this +1 new friend, you have to go to the app I instructed to get, which is a multi-space. So I'll be using my multi-space for the first time for this. So if in this your multi-space you don't have Telegram already added here, you just click on this plus button and look for Telegram among the list of apps that it will be displaying for you. Okay, but because I have already added it, I don't need to look for Telegram here again, so I can just go back. So now you click on Telegram and it begins to load like this. Because I need to explain this step by step, so this video will be kind of longer than usual. So oh sorry, I don't know why that happens. Keep closing and I don't know why. So I think I'll need to use another app for now. So I'll just click on this. So I'll come to permissions and I need to select this storage permission. I need to allow it for now. So go back to the app. So now this can work now. Alright, we just need to focus on the app that we need to clone. Actually, I don't need to clone any of this for now, so I just click on add to parallel, accept. So now I can open this app. Okay, start messaging. I don't know why this keep on closing. The next thing I need to do is to launch the Telegram app and add the number I want to use. Okay, I'll click on start, then I'll input the number I actually want to use here. So make sure you enter a valid email address, because you receive a notification code to the email address that you provide. So for you to actually get the code, you need to provide a valid email address. Okay, after the email verification, the second phase is the phone verification, whereby they will call the number you have. So once you have successfully passed the verification code stage, it will ask you to enter your name. So let me just use this for now. So I just use smart, and that is that. Boom, you can see that you're ready to start chatting with friends on this account.
Today when I was creating a tutorial for you on how to unlock and get your referral using these 2 simple steps that I was talking about earlier, I realized that after referring 2 friends, my friend list does not increase and their name were not showing, and these 2 friends were actually active and tapping on their screen. So I was actually patient, and I was like, what was happening? I actually knew it was a glitch from Hamster. So until this morning, I was in the announcement page and I could see somebody has the same issue. You can see, hello, I have a question. I invited a friend and the said friend is active, but the person's name isn't showing among the friend I invited. So, and there's a reply down here that says that, okay, the team is working on fixing the glitch. So it's actually an issue from them. Then this morning again, I checked to see if I can see my friend list. Then I find out that my friend list aren't showing at all. So let me just quickly show you that. I can't find my friend list on the bot. So then I realized that it's actually a glitch from them. Hopefully by the time they actually fix this glitch, the friend list will be actually added, hopefully. So if I come to my friend list, you can see, don't worry, friends haven't gone anywhere. So which means that this is an issue from them. So, and that is why when you even copy on click on the copy invite link, okay, it's copied today, as at yesterday it's not copying at all. It will tell you, sorry, you could not perform this action. So if you follow through with the process I explained earlier in this tutorial on getting referral, it should work for you, hopefully, if they have fixed this glitch. With that, you can invite 20 friends using this simple trick. So you can't be limited to unlocking a card because of referral issue or friend issue. So I hope this video really help you solve your referral issue. And earlier before this video, I have shared a particular video on this, but this is an in-depth one that really explains how to go about getting this referral from beginning to scratch. Remember, the apps that I used, multi-space or parallel, either of the two works perfectly fine. So if you don't know what parallel looks like, I'm going to show you again. This is parallel space. So this is the app. So like I've explained earlier in the video, all you have to do is download this app, then you need to clone your Telegram. So just a recap, all you need to do is, if your Telegram is not here already, then you'll be seeing a plus sign at this lower button where it asks you to select list of app you want to add, just like clicking this. So you search for later. So you search for the app you want to clone, After you've gone through the long list, you just select the one you want to clone. Then I'm not cloning Chrome, so I'm not cloning YouTube or any of these or any of this. So I just select only Telegram. Then that is why you're seeing Telegram alone here. So you can follow the process to actually do that. And if you don't get that, the thing I did was I click on the Telegram icon or the Telegram app, and it asks me to input the number I want to do. So the secret is, if you're having three SIMs, so you need to make sure that they are not linked on your main Telegram app, because if they are linked, you won't be able to use it, because it will automatically open the bot on the same app that you have been running the bot on, and it will not count. So you have to open the new account on this multi-space. So once you do that, you copy and paste your referral code in a chat with someone, or you create a new chat with yourself. Then you click on it and start the normal process of running Hamster bot. Then at the end of it, it will add as a referrer. But this is one thing I want to say: don't do that now. Regardless of how desperate you need a referrer now to unlock a particular card, don't do it now. The reason is because they are currently having referral count issue or glitch on their system, and if you have done that now, there is probability that it will count or it will not. So that you won't lose your referrer and you can't create Hamster accounts twice on a particular number. So just do it when they fix the glitch. Hopefully I'll make a video on that when it is fixed. So thank you for watching today. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go and subscribe, as I'll be dropping more helpful content in later days. So thank you very much.